Buy a new IEEE 1394 cable for a camcorder. Real-time data transfers from camcorders are made easier and faster with an interface known as the IEEE 1394 cable. This interface is high-speed and it can transfer data at a maximum rate of 800 Mbps. This is good for multimedia file transfers because videos and pictures are usually larger files than document files. Before buying your own firewire cable, take note of these tips that can help you decide which firewire is right for your device. Check your device ports. You cannot buy the firewire without checking your device ports. Computers usually have 6-pin jacks, and if you look at your digital camera or camcorder, it usually has a smaller 4-pin connector. Look for the firewire cable that satisfies both devices' pins to ensure that the cable will fit in perfectly. Decide which speed is satisfactory for your need. Your device has a specific speed that it needs to run the transfer smoothly. Refer to your device's specifications to determine if it needs the A version that is rated at 400 Mbps or the B version, which is rated at 800 Mbps. Decide on your cable length. Your cable length will depend on where both your devices are located. If you have the luxury of space, it would be recommended to locate both devices adjacent to each other to keep your cable length shorter. Shorter cable length will not hinder signals from transferring files from one device to another. Check the cable's compatibility. There are some operating systems, OS, in computers that have compatibility issues with the firewire interface. Some versions of Windows do not recognize the IEEE 1394 and cause them not to work. To be sure that your OS will accept the firewire interface, check reviews on the compatibility issues as well as possible limitations in product reviews, readers' reviews, and forums. Search online for manufacturers. Research for the manufacturer that has a lot of good reviews for giving the best quality cables. You should visit their website and browse through their product testimonials about the firewire. Make sure they are using good materials like copper or gold-plated connectors for their products. These are two good materials that are non-corrosive. Order your firewire cable. After gathering all the information you need and selecting the best manufacturer for your firewire, place your order. Be sure that you are aware of their shipping procedures. Sometimes products get damaged through shipment, so be sure to ask for an assurance of a return or exchange just in case and keep your transaction record. Test your cable. When you get your firewire cable, be sure to test it immediately. Do not wait for a week before testing it out on your devices so you can return or exchange it in case you have issues on its workability. Waiting for a week might void your chances of having it exchanged. Always remember that when you buy good quality cable, it usually lasts for a long time. Just be sure to store your cables in a dry place away from moisture or humidity, since cable connectors that have formed algae can damage your computer or your camcorder as well.